everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Future. Did I say... Never mind. A crack in time. In this episode we are going to continue, find Quark on Lord Vorselons' ship. And I think on the last episode I said, be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more Ratchet and Clank Future tools at the description. Did I say that in the last episode? I'm not too sure. Because I just recorded the last episode. Whatever, I'll go back and see and then... Oh, I didn't know if I had to click R2 to do it or not. Which is kind of dumb, because why would you have to click R2? I want to get this gun upgraded. Same thing with the constructor bomb. The other one I'm not too keen for. Or it would. I know the other one will upgrade. It'll upgrade later. But it ain't gonna upgrade now. That's all I'm gonna say. Ooh, the big box. Oh my god, I can't wait till we get the freaking boots. Can you guys wait? Sheesh, I've had enough of your crap. You guys are gonna have to wait. There, I'll burp on your face. Oh crap, I forgot to. Dang it! I forgot to check for the Rhino holoplans. Which I will be doing in this game. Don't worry, I'll be doing them right. I'll be getting the Rhino in this game. Which I think will actually be harder than in, I think you actually have to play the game twice. I'm not too sure. Hopefully you don't. If you have to play the game twice, then screw that. I ain't gonna play the game twice for a Rhino. Ah, Mr. Zircon, welcome back, buddy. Oh my. Hey, how you doing over here? This gun's upgrading a lot faster than the constructor freaking pistol. Alright, which way do we go? What? To hit everything but the explosive? Oh, here we go. Actually, speaking of the Rhino holoplans, we got a schematic, and I think there's actually a lot less than before. Where to be? Here, inventory. Yeah, there's only 10. Last time there was like 16, something like that.
Give me a status update.
What? You killed Mr. Zircon. Hold up.
Who is Alistair Azimuth?
I don't know, some rebel.
Alright, we'll find out what you can. If he's an enemy of Nefarious, he might be a friend to us.
Okay, Google. Rhino 5 holoplan locations. And you know what I'm doing. I don't think there's one on that one planet, the first one. Oh, jeez. Unfortunately, Chrome is stocked good, because I'm on Google. I swear, if Chrome's gonna be a big douche about this... Stop freaking stopping, Chrome! Jeez. Alright, Chrome's opening. Hey, it's actually loading up the page. And it's a document? Chrome, it is not a document. That's previous. Let's reload the page because right now it's saying Chrome is a doc or the Ratchet Wiki is a document. Wow, they would have some sort of power like that to stop us from using the freaking Vorselons thing or whatever it's called. I think go right away. I think I'm just gonna use this because it's almost level 3. Oh my gosh. Do I have no internet connection? Nope, I'm connected. Let's try this again. Okay, Chrome. Yes, it's loading! Oh my god. Alright, see what I missed. The first one. I have to load another. OMG. Okay, the first one is on, load Vorselons ship. The next one is in Axiom City? I don't know what that is. Actually, never mind, I might know. Freaking guys are pissing me off. Hey, that's cool. You know what I'm using.
Power failure detected in auxiliary server room.
I need to destroy this. I don't know how. Nope, never mind. So it looks like we do not have to actually, we don't have to play the game twice. Which that's kind of good. That is good. Oh, I see. We're going here.
Power failure detected in auxiliary server room.
How the hell do we do this? Oh, of course. Alright, made the little triangle. There's another one of these. Alright.
What floor, please?
Detention wing?
That's not a floor. Determine.
That worked.
Destroy.
Nothing.
Welcome back, Chief.
That wasn't Azimuth. He was just a young lumber.
He doesn't hear me? Alright, let's go save them. Hold on.
The Green One's sidekick. We're saved.
I knew you'd come for us.
Wait, what the?
It's good to see you, Ratchet. Now we need to find a way out. What's your name? The child. Hurl yourself into this laser wall as hard as you can.
What about the Versabuse? If you pull it out, it might lower the field.
He has his gun. Why didn't he just freaking shoot that door open? And then, like. Oh my.
Everyone follow me.
Oh yeah, because
I'll
Quark
get us out of
sucks
here.
ass.
Quiet. Don't
Ow.
stop the alarm.
Yeah. Of course, he freaking breaks open the door and it sounds freaking alarm at the guard. Alright, let's keep up. Ooh, level 3. Okay, maybe we should kind of use something else. This thing is too effective, and we got these other weapons for a reason. These are grenades. Well, this is like I'm getting sick. I was just down. I didn't know we had 5 of him. I thought we only had 4. I think in later games we only have 4 of them. Some later games. Is that spoiler that he returns? I don't think so. Yeah. Oh, what a strafe. No! I nearly pissed my pants right there. Look at my health. Oh gosh. Nope, you ain't locking down. Crap, buddy. I can't really reach him. I gotta use my constructor pistol. I guess I could use the burpity on Sonic Eruptor. He kicked me.
The prisoners must not
Got it. There we go.
Mr. Zircon requires no chances.
I'll open the doors. You get the Bongoids to safety.
Okay, anybody need to use the bathroom? I don't want to leave the loading bay and then hear one of you has to go. Mr. Zircon does not have OD.
What?
The onboard computer says there's a manual
OD?
switch somewhere in that room.
Like in Sunset Overdrive? I think that's what OD means, actually, now I think. Am I just figuring that out, that OD means overdrive? Like, I feel like I should have known that throughout the series. Or throughout the game. I have not played it, I just watched playthroughs of it. I can't afford an Xbox One, this is expensive.
Escape vessel in 3, 2, 1.
Kabooyah! Now it's our turn.
Vital scan indicates 1 long-back light farm.
Aphelion! They've blocked my escape route. Meet me in the local landing bay.
It's in so seconds. Oh! My best friend exploded right in front of me! Oh god. Oh my. I already know where this is gonna lead.
welcome back, Chief.
Alright, let's go. I don't know if there's a cutscene or not. I'll turn it up anyways.
Pitiful creature, you've meddled in Dr. Nefarious' plans for the last time. Prepare to be killed by
No.
Lord Vorselons!
Hello. No. 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 Oh my god, I'm surprised. I should have been hit that last time. Oh. Heard in the Tools of Destruction, they said your name. Mr. Flint Vorselons. Isn't that his name? Flint Vorselons? He's just right there. Yeah, lucky shot. Keep saying that, bug. Oh yeah, this is our first boss. How do you dope? I hit him with him, he's invisible. I'm a pro at this game. Oh, Mr. Zircon level 2, that's great. He's very weak. You wanna laugh? Do you really wanna freaking laugh? At your own death? Alright, then die. Oh! What the hell? Oh. What just happened? What? Oh. Sorry. I can't even. It's like, alright, you're freaking retarded. Oh, I've been clicking aspect like an idiot. What's up here? There we go.
Stay with the fungoids and find out what else they know about Azimuth. Work out.
Alright. Yeah, I just accidentally clicked that one button. Input. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, guys. This is the end of my time, I think. Wait, what time is it? Yes, it is. So be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Actually, I don't know. There might be a video. Oh, it's already up. Loading! Well, what's happening? Nope. Anyways, that's my time. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GV. I'm out. Peace.